Complete ghost town here. Not a single person. I did not expect this, guys. I thought I was gonna come here and I was gonna be quiet. 12 a.m. till 5 a.m. Everything is shut down here, and apparently to see you outside, you better have a really good excuse. The first question they asked is, are you here to volunteer? Everybody, and good morning from Krakow, Poland, guys. It is 3 in the morning. I'm all packed up with my luggage over here. I am at one of the train stations. I'm heading over to Krakow main station right now to get to my train that heads to Kiev. Guys, I hope everything goes well because, as you know, there isn't too much information on how to get to Kiev right now for obvious reasons. So hopefully, guys, it works out. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me on the journey there. I'm not sure how often the trains run at this time. It's like 3:30 in the morning right now. My train leaves from Poland and goes to the border. And I believe I have to switch trains to a Ukrainian train and go all the way to Kiev. It's gonna be a long journey, guys. Hopefully it all goes well. And as expected, it is a complete ghost town here. Not a single person. I'm thinking if I should just Uber it to the main station. I see one more person. That means the trains are running. So this is where I am right now. I'm at Krakow, Grzegorski. I'm heading to Krakow main station. It's only one stop, 3 minutes. It's saying it'll be here at 3:56, guys. We still have just under 10 minutes. It's the train. Rolling in nice and slow. But guys, remember, that's not my main train. I need to take this to the main station. From there, I need to switch to the train that goes to the border. And then I have to switch the trains again to go to another train that goes to Kiev. Thank you. Okay, I do see a departures table here. Let's see. 4:36 Krakow Airport. Okay, I do see one of these kiosks are open. Hopefully somebody there could guide me. Hi, I have a question. Do you know where RegioJet takes off from? No information? Oh, thank God, guys. It came up 4:54 right there. Przemysl. Right there. So I have to go to number 4. I honestly thought I was going to be the only person here. There's a lot of people here. Some people, I guess, might have slept here. That's my train, guys. Thank God it's here. Train 1, let's go. Oh God, I'm number 9, opposite side of where I was standing. Alright guys, they just brought some coffee, water. I got a croissant with some butter, and I believe this is jam. Alright guys, that was the first train. Now I need to find the second train that goes directly to Kiev. After 2 hours at the Polish border, I'm finally through. About to board this Ukrainian train. It actually looks nice. It looks nicer than the train I came here with. Passport? Thank you, sir. Sorry. Seat number 44. Perfect. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. My God, what a beautiful station. Wow. Yeah, guys, sorry I couldn't film much on that train. I did not realize how many people from the military were going to be on it, and you guys know, when you're in a country that you're not familiar with, do not film the military. So anyways, I got out of the main station. Now I'm taking the train to my hotel. Guys, what the hell is going on in Ukraine? Everyone's partying. I just got on the subway. Music everywhere. It's so loud. Everybody's dancing and partying. I did not expect this, guys. I thought I was gonna come here and it's gonna be quiet. Holy, it's like a party out here. Do you guys want to laugh? So I was just there. That's Maiden Square, right? I don't know why. Maybe Google Maps isn't working as good since the war started. It made me walk all the way up. I did a whole circle over there. I came back around over there, only to find out this is my hotel right over here. I could have just crossed the road and that's my hotel. But instead I went all the way around. I went uphill, downhill for like 20 minutes. We'll do a quick hotel room tour. I just got here. I do need to step out fast because if you guys don't know, there's a curfew here. So everything closes early. Wow, guys, not a bad room at all. Just drop this here. Okay. Let's figure this out. Let's see what's going on here, guys. Let's turn on that bathroom. Wow. Guys, this is nice. Hello, Kiev. Look at this. Nice shower. Guys, this is a nice bathroom. Got my mirror here. Got all this stuff here. Soap. What else do we have? What other goodies do we have? What? Okay. It's in Ukrainian. I can't read it. All right, let's see what else they have. Okay, nice mirror. Guys, this is a nice room. Great size bed. And you're staying green with them. They left me some water bottles, a kettle, schmancy cups. What else do we have here? Some coffee, very good. Some tea, green tea and black tea. And apparently there used to be a view, but there's construction right now. So, god damn it. Where do you open this from? Already. Wait, what? Yeah. Apparently there used to be a view, but okay. I think I just broke the hotel. Anyways, there's like a cover over here right now because they're doing construction, but that's the Maiden Square right there. I'm very happy with this room, I'll tell you the truth. Oh, I'm gonna be wearing this all around the hotel. And that's the hotel name, guys. Oh look, they have some stuff here too. Okay. You know what? I like it. Yes, they left me some slippers too. Don't mind the mess I've already made. They got a safe. Very good. What do we have here? The fridge. The fridge fully... Ooh. Look at that, guys. I'll tell you the truth, I do need to eat though. It's 9:30. I've been up since 3 a.m. I'm hitting 24 hours very, very soon, guys. Very soon. All I've had today was a small sandwich on that train and the croissant that I showed you guys earlier. I need to grab a bite. I need to eat. So let's step out. Let's go grab a bite. And I need to grab some... Actually, no, I don't need water. They left me some water. I'll stock up on that stuff tomorrow. Let's go grab a bite right now and then I have to come back home before curfew because from 12 a.m. till 5 a.m. everything is shut down here. It's mandatory. And apparently to see you outside, you better have a really good excuse. What happened after I got my exit... Hold on. After I got my exit stamp in Poland, I basically boarded the Ukrainian train and they didn't check anything until we actually got into Ukraine. So once we got past the Ukrainian border, that's when I saw 2 police officers walking with their dogs, sniffing everything. And then I saw like 8 people in the military. So they were all walking up and down, and then they eventually got to me and they asked me for my passport. The first question they asked is, are you here to volunteer? I'm like, no, I'm not. They're like, do you know anybody in Ukraine? I said, no. They're like, why are you here? I said, tourism. That's it. Right away, she stamped it. She said, welcome to Ukraine. Very nice. She was actually really nice, that lady. But they did randomly check my luggages. They didn't check every single luggage, which is really weird. Like, I would have thought that they would put it all through a scanner. Not one time did all the luggages go through a scanner. You just get randomly chosen to open up your luggage. I thought it was gonna be dead. The trains were full. Mind you, it was like 80% women, and the men that were there for the most part were older men, like over 50 years old. But as we got closer and closer to Kiev, I started seeing more and more soldiers board the plane. Like, I could see like either they're wearing the army pants or they're wearing the whole outfit. And then I had a few in my carriage, and that's why I didn't really want to film, because you don't want to film in a tense country like this right now. I am gonna smash that. Look at the size of that. Wow. I might get one more.
Я знаю, натягнуться струни, порвуться, і я полечу.
Such a good sandwich, my god, that hit the spot. Oh yeah, guys, when you go to a hotel and you see this, I hope you guys don't sleep on this, guys. I hope you don't sleep on it. This is what I always do. I just take that, I'm gonna hide it. I feel like it's the nastiest thing in a hotel. Anyways, listen, I'm gonna close this one out, guys. I've been up for almost 24 hours. I need to sleep. I need to get a good night's sleep because I actually wanna explore Ukraine a lot. I wanna get a lot of content over here. I want you guys to see how it is during these times. Anyways, I'm gonna close this one out. Let me know what you guys thought about the video. If you have any questions about the process of getting here, if I missed something, let me know. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye from Ukraine.